guys, I'm back again today with another reaction video, and today we are reacting to Shila Amzah, Jaclyn Victor, and Ning Baizura. And this is This is Beribu Sesalan. So guys, let's check it out. This is gonna be good because I know two of them and I'm gonna discover someone else again. Interesting. I bet that's Niang. Oh, Ning, I mean. What's her name? Shila is now wearing a hijab, and this is the first time I'm seeing her without one, so kinda shocked. I recognize her voice.
Sendiri ku mencari harus baru yang selalu berbisik mada rindu kini membisu dalam sayu tidak ku temu suaramu. Kekasihku di jalanan yang berliku, di saat ku pelukanmu, tertutup jua segalanya terhadapmu. Di sini ku terseduh-seduh setelah cinta pergi. Ku mengusung duka ini kisah janji dimungkiri lagi.
It's so beautiful. She also has an amazing voice, Ning, if I'm saying her name right.
Setelah cinta pergi, ku mengusung duka ini. Kisah janji dimungkiri. Sia-sia ku mencintaimu, sedang padamu, bersama nadaku, betah hatiku, luka jiwaku, diiris
Oh, that's beautiful, really.
Beribu sesalan.
Oh wow, that was really, really, really beautiful. I didn't even know that Jaclyn and Sheila knew each other. You just and then sing together. That's just a plus. And that the what's her name? Ning. I'm not sure how you pronounce her name, but she's also very good. Well guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, leave in the comment section down below what other videos like me to react to. The original link of this video will be in the description box down below, as well as my social media links. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.